How to activate ULTA card. You can activate ULTA card in online. You have to go to ULTA's credit card activation page, then log in to your community account, the card issuer for ULTA credit cards. Follow the prompts to activate your card by providing the necessary information, like your card number and personal details. You can also activate ULTA card in phone. Call the activation number listed on the sticker of your new ULTA card. Typically, the ULTA card activation phone number is 1-866-257-9195 for the Ultimate Rewards credit card, or 1-866-254-9971 for the Ultimate Rewards MasterCard. Follow the automated prompts to complete activation or speak to a customer representative for assistance. If you have the ULTA app, you may be able to activate your card there by logging into your account and going to the credit card section. After activation, you can start using your ULTA card in stores or online. Thanks for watching.